Sir, may kasulti, sir. Ano siya ang roof? Down there.
Where's that, Mami?
Wait.
Look at kitchen. So
It's-
it can cook fast.
It's not a kitchen, it's bedroom.
So
I think this is the master's. The next room. Careful.
In here, Mami, in here. In here must be the kitchen.
No, that's a bedroom.
What? Okay, of that 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, 3 bedrooms up.
Hey, look. We see from down there.
It's your neighbor.
They will say, "Hi, neighbor."
So they'll say, hi neighbors.
Hi, neighbor. Hi, neighbor.
And I'm going down. Careful of the second floor CR. The
We're
stairs.
going down.
We're going down.
Come on. I'll go fast.
Gotta be careful and you have to talk. This is the
the stairs.
going
To the first floor.
first floor. Okay.
Going slowly. So
Go.
we can see here is a window.
Okay.
So you can see your name was quickly. Also here. First floor.
This is the first floor.
This is the window.
Okay.
And this is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
CR.
This is not the kitchen. The kitchen is here.
CR.
There.
Please.
CR.
CR. Then the bedroom. CR. There.
Small CR.
And the bedroom.
No, it's a little stock room, I guess.
Hiding spot. Right.
Hiding spot. And then you talk. This is the main door. There.
Going up, my dad is there.
Okay. This is the main door. What you gonna see outside?
It's a big hole.
It's a big hole.
I want to jump in it if there's something on a shark or a fish.
And then your neighbor.
Come here.
Wait.
Come here. Come here.
Wait.
What can you see from there is a...
What can you see from here? I think this is the garage area.
Look. Here is our... There's my daddy
Where?
at the second floor.
What is your daddy doing at the second floor?
Checking. I want to go here. Let's see. We can go back.
Go, this is a video. Go. You have to talk.
There's the stairs. So, tell you if
You gotta be careful, dude.
here. They all did the stairs there. So they have extra stairs.
Lots of nails. There's your daddy.